Welcome. If you want to stay in the loop every time someone tags you on Facebook while you're browsing on a PC, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the latest update that makes notifications for tags much easier to manage straight from Facebook web. First, open Facebook on your web browser and make sure you're signed in. You'll start from the homepage, ready to adjust how you're alerted to tags. Next, head to your profile by clicking your profile photo in the top right corner. This takes you to your personal timeline and settings area where all your account controls live. From there, look for settings and privacy. Click it to expand the options, then select settings. This path brings you into the heart of your account preferences, including all the notification settings you'll want to customize. In the settings menu, locate notifications. This is your control center for how Facebook reaches you. Through alerts, emails, or push prompts, click notifications to open the notification preferences page, which groups alerts by category for easy management. Now, you'll focus on the tags category. Scroll or skim until you find tag notifications, then open that section. Here you'll see options for who can tag you and how you're notified. Look for the choice labeled Anyone. Select Anyone to enable notifications whenever any user tags you. This setting ensures you won't miss a post or photo where you're tagged, even if you're not constantly checking Facebook. It's a simple toggle that keeps you in the loop with every tag across posts and photos. After selecting Anyone, you can review related options. If you prefer a specific notification method, such as a pop-up on desktop or an email, adjust those preferences within the same tag notifications area. If you want to mute tags during certain hours, see if there's an option to set quiet hours or activity status in notifications. That's it. With these steps, you've activated tag alerts for anyone on Facebook web from your PC. Thanks for watching.